Wi-Fi password is Surf Grove, and we ask for music to be off at 10 p.m. Quiet time 11. Anything after those hours, that's the after hours security number. If you did want to like have a few drinks and a bit of a louder party, just head down to the beach. And, try and be quiet when you come back.
Sounds good.
Yeah, check out tonight later than 11 a.m. on the 7th.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, we're open 10 till 6, so if you wanted firewood, ice, or anything like that.
Awesome.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Are you buying that?
It'll take a few business days to decide.
What?
Bring your own cup?
Stop it.
Or purchase a by mug and get first class for free. No, you can bring your own cup. Go bring your own cup.
Oh, it's spacious. Do it.
Hey guys, it's okay.
Wow,
Look
good
at that.
job on our
Look at
packing
this.
skills.
Hanging on by the box.
Oh wow, these are more. Like, here.
Just one for the top.
Wait, keep in mind that also the back.
So we don't even need to do anything.
And then those little legs, big slot on the bottom. Where do you want your door? Where is the door? Is this the door?
Let's move it like this.
Yeah. Nice.
Look at that.
Very good. Ooh. Okay.
And then they just clip. See these little velcros?
Yeah.
They velcro onto the little like.
I like this tent.
Yeah, right?
Yeah, I like it.
I think it's from Canadian Tire. It's really old.
Is this like clip?
Yeah.
Or no?
The pop-up version, I really want one.
How's it going in there?
Perfect time.
Okay, watch out for these pigs.
Yes, Dad. Oh. We've done this before. We have had a failure with this before. Last time we were in the island. And I have one stick here.
First, you put water. Oh, that's more than water.
Noodles are already in there. Then you put an egg, 1 clove of garlic, the seasoning, and a little oil, and a bit of toofy mayo, and then that's it.
You got noodles, mixture, and hot water. And then noodles after again.
That's right. See, so it's not just a raw egg that you're eating.
So now like the eggs cook.
Yeah.
We're good?
So good. It's when the server
Tia.
comes to you when you're eating.
It's good.
It's good? Nice. Props to
Approved.
the chef.
Not quite good.
Yeah, maybe the wonky.
Nice accessory. Insurance.
What?
Checking the surface.
Checking it out.
Approve?
Approved.
Will my boobs fit? That's the real question. Thank
Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
I asked the same question in Hawaii.
Ready.
Corey, ready?
Born ready.
Have you surfed before?
No.
We are camping at Surf Grove Campground in Tofino. about to go surfing, but yesterday we got here. We checked in, set up camp, hung around for a bit. Then we woke up this morning, had a really good breakfast, and now we rented surf gear and we're about to go surfing. But I'm ready. Let's go. Got the hoods.
Ferry's actually racing today. She's number 16 in the competition.
I feel like mine's inside out. I swear.
And it's lane number 4, number 16.
Then whenever there's a wave, you want to hold it like on the side.
Show her where she needs to step.
Also, discus spiral, I like to surf once. So, like, if a real surfer's watching this and like,
Disregard.
what is she doing?
Disregard everything you say.
Hold. When there's a wave, you go.
Yeah, you want to.
Like this. Yeah. Okay, first of all, you look kind of cool. Like on land, I'm like, yeah, that's good. On the water, I'm gonna. Okay, are you ready?
I'm freezing out here. Come on, it's real cold.
That's scary. Another one.
Does anyone want to go over there?
What's wrong?
I got beat. And now Tia said again. I said I want to go back.
Oh, show them our socks.
Alright. So, we have 3 of these, one in another color. Then, I got a little boy t-shirt right here. I feel like this is what your mom sends you when you go off to a camping trip.
Farmer's carry.
Yeah, now, deadlift.
That looks like really good marination job.
That's just seasoning. Tia looks good.
Really? Corey, tell them about your patties.
Okay, so I thought they were beef, and I started cooking them, and then it turns out they are 100% plant patties. Plants for sure. But it's okay, it's okay. We're gonna work, there's some like fake juices coming out and everything. So I'm hoping that they'll still taste okay. But yeah. don't look at them.
What's your job?
I'm doing the vegetables, as you can see. Look at that.
So we got the lettuce.
Oh.
And then I think that's all the vegetables we have.
No, look at that.
Oh, we got tomatoes. Nice.
Fresh. And that's it. Because someone does not like cucumbers.
Or cilantro.
Or cilantro.
You don't put
Or onions. Green onions, keep them away.
No, it's just a preference.
I never knew you were picky.
I'm not picky. I just don't like those weird things.
A weird thing. Just don't look at it. When you just put the bun on, put your condiments on, don't look at it too hard. Yeet. Yeah, this one needs a little bit more. Look at him. Yeet.
What happens if you were to eat one of those raw?
Nothing. Absolutely nothing. They're plants.
Alright, what's your favorite TV show? It better be what I think.
What?
The pressure.
What are you thinking?
Wait, are you
You
were
know
big
what I'm
into Grays,
thinking.
right?
Huh?
You were big into Grays at one point, right?
Yeah, I was obsessed with that show.
Grays.
Literally, like,
The first episode I ever watched, my friend put that plane crash.
What?
That was the first episode I've ever watched.
You got
And then I was like, oh wait, because I cried my eyes out, and I was like,
I cried too.
I cried so hard.
I literally would watch Grace just so I could cry. Because I would cry in every episode.
So I actually stopped watching Grace because I cried at every episode.
Every episode.
Every episode.
single
And I was like,
episode.
this is a lot of my mental health.
Yeah.
That's a lot of emotion.
Yeah.
Whenever I was sad, I would be like, let me just watch Grace to make me sadder.
Yeah. See, that's why I stopped. But I also stopped when my sister told me that Derek died.
Oh, you didn't know yet, but you
I
knew.
didn't know, but when I knew, I was like, I can't get there. So I never watched.
never watched Derek dying?
because
Oh
I
my-
couldn't. I
It
couldn't handle
was
it.
horrific.
I couldn't do it. Cheers. Sorry. I'll try to keep my sound effects right. Trace alone, guys. Let's go. I think it's tear.
Okay.
I'm convinced.
Alright, it's
regular.
I'm throwing it regularly.
It's over. You go.
Get Ira.
Yeah.
Oh. Let's go.
I need to close my mouth.
Yeah.
Oh my god! It almost shot down my throat.
That's what I'm saying. She's like lollipopping them. That's what I'm saying. She's like doing crazy stuff. She's like, skyballing these shots.
Oh!
See that?
Rate it.
10 out of 10. Recommend. Put your name on the wood. Well, I'm putting it right over here.
When you run out of plates.
Look at this.
Gourmet meals out here.
So we don't have a reservation for our ferry, and we missed the ferry.
We didn't miss it. We were here.
The ferry didn't want us, so now we have to wait for the next one. Look at this. Taco? Tell us about what's on that taco.
There's some taco meat, a little avocado, one cherry tomato, and some lettuce sprinklings with a hard shell, cheesy Dorito.
Burger. It's got some grilled chicken. Actually, it's not grilled. It was pan fried because the barbecue didn't fit in the.
Clearly, look at our trunk.
Look, we have some extra space.
Now that the wood's not there.
There's lettuce. There's cheese. That's really all you need. That back there.
Nice.
You want tomato?
Oh, no, thank you.
Is this all you want? So sad looking.
Is there avocado?
Can you open the
That's all
edge?
you.
Wow. We've got a full course selection. Appreciate it.